Reach truck overhead crane grader forklift counterbalance bulldozer plus 2773-158-2436. Milani mining skills and machine operator training call /WhatsApp plus 27731-582-436 accredited certificate and license for machinery training and accredited certificate for welding issued. We have all artisan courses, trade tests etc. Fees. 50% fees is payable at the start of the course. Yes, job assistance after training. Boilermaker skills welding arc CO2 Lhd Scoop. Safety officer, please note, we do not guarantee jobs, but we assist you by sending your CV to different mining and construction companies on your behalf. Reach truck overhead crane grader forklift counterbalance. Bulldozer, excavator, grader, roller, mobile crane, reach scaker, drill rig, Lhd Scoop. 1. Renewal of machinery operating license and assessments. 2. Machinery operator training. School offers free accommodation and job replacement to all students from Namibia, Angola, Malawi, Zambia, South Africa, Mozambique, and other far places. Email us, millenniaoperators@yahoo.com. Call us plus 277-315-824-36 for booking and registration. Milani Operators Training School, South Africa.